In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block people on Google Drive. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you're equipped with all the necessary information to manage your Google Drive sharing settings effectively. Blocking users on Google Drive is an essential skill, especially if you're looking to maintain the privacy and security of your shared documents. Even if someone doesn't have direct access to your files, they might still be listed as collaborators. Here's how you can ensure that unwanted users are removed from your list of collaborators permanently. First, you need to open Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google account associated with the drive, as this is critical for you to proceed with access to manage your files. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Shared Files section. You can do this by clicking on the Shared With Me tab on the left-hand side. This will display a list of all the files and folders you currently share with others or those shared with you by others. Identify the specific file or folder you want to work with and click on it. This step is vital as you need to pinpoint the exact item you're targeting to adjust the sharing settings correctly. Now, look for the Share button, typically represented by the icon of a person with a plus sign or the word Share next to it. Clicking it will bring up a dialog box showing the current list of collaborators. This box gives you an overview of who currently has access to your file or folder, along with their permissions. To block a specific person, click on their name. You'll see a drop-down menu next to their name, which displays their current permissions. Here, you want to change the permissions by selecting Remove. This action will remove their access, ensuring they won't see the item listed under their shared documents. However, if you wish to block the person entirely, preventing them from sharing anything with you in the future, you need to take an extra step. You'll need to head over to Google Drive's security settings, where you can block users directly from there. This adds an extra layer of privacy and helps you manage future interactions. After you've finished adjusting the necessary settings, ensure you click Save to apply the changes. Saving your settings is crucial as it confirms and implements the block, effectively updating the permissions. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone on Google Drive. By following these steps diligently, you can better control who has access to your shared files, enhancing the security of your Google Drive content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.